Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Plum Dog shampoo on the market, the top performance wonder Plum Dog and Cat Shampoo. This product is specially formulated to provide excellent moisturizing care for your furry friends, whether they're dogs or cats, making it a versatile choice for pet owners everywhere. The Wonder Plum Shampoo is crafted with a unique blend of amino acids and antioxidants. These ingredients work together to deeply moisturize and condition both the skin and hair follicles. This is especially beneficial for pets with brittle or overworked hair, as the shampoo helps strengthen their coat while adding volume and shine. Imagine your pet's fur looking healthier, fuller, and more vibrant after just a few uses. One of the standout features of this shampoo is its gentle formula. It's designed to soothe the skin and calm overstressed follicles, making it ideal for pets with sensitive skin. The shampoo is safe enough for puppies and kittens over 6 weeks old, which shows just how mild and nurturing it really is. The shampoo has a pleasant aloe vera scent that leaves your pet smelling fresh without being overpowering. Plus, the product contains natural extracts like plum and wakame, which contribute not only to its moisturizing properties but also enhance the overall health of your pet's coat. It's also important to note that the top performance Wonder Plum Shampoo is free from harsh additives such as sulfates, parabens, and artificial colors or fragrances. This means you can wash your pet with confidence, knowing you're avoiding common irritants. Using the shampoo is simple and effective. Start by shaking the bottle well, then wet your pet's coat thoroughly with warm water. Apply a generous amount of shampoo to your hand and massage it gently into the coat, starting from the head and working towards the tail. Be careful to avoid the eyes and rinse thoroughly to leave the coat clean and soft. For those who like value and convenience, this shampoo comes in a gallon size that dilutes at a 16:1 ratio, making it a cost-effective option for regular grooming. The packaging is sturdy and easy to handle, with dimensions that fit well into most grooming setups. Manufactured in the USA by Pet Edge Dealer Services, this shampoo carries a solid reputation for quality. It is designed for both cats and dogs, so if you have multiple types of pets, this one shampoo can cover all their grooming needs. In summary, if you're looking for a moisturizing, gentle, and effective plum-scented shampoo that strengthens your pet's coat and leaves them smelling great, the top performance Wonder Plum Shampoo is definitely worth considering. It blends science and nature to deliver impressive results, making it a top contender in pet grooming supplies. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you want a shampoo that truly cares for your pet's skin and fur, give this Plum Dog Shampoo a try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.